Hi everyone, welcome to our Saturday morning cooking class. And today we are making a basic butter cookie with a punch of lime flavor. And neither of us have made this before, so we're excited to try it.
Yep.
So what you need for this recipe is you need flour, you need baking powder, you need salt, nutmeg, and cinnamon. And then you'll also need some white sugar
in 2 spits.
Yep. And then you'll need lime juice and lime zest and butter. So to start, we already have started our toaster oven at 350 degrees. So you guys can turn your oven on 350 degrees. And then we have our baking sheet. It says in the recipe to grease the baking sheet, but we just have parchment paper. Okay? So the first step includes mixing together the dry ingredients. So our dry ingredients is 2 cups all-purpose flour. So we're going to add that in. Yep. And then it is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Yep. It's a half a teaspoon of salt. And then it's a half a teaspoon both of the cinnamon and the nutmeg. Those will smell yummy. I'm going to add those in.
Thank you.
Okay. And then we're going to mix that together. And then once it's mixed together, you're just going to set it aside. Yep. And then, in the next step, we're going to mix up the topping. So if you ever made a snickerdoodle cookie, you have a mixture of sugar and cinnamon, and you roll your cookies in the end once you're all done. And so that's the same thing we're doing with this recipe, is we'll be rolling our cookies. So for this, we need 1/3 of a cup of white sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of the cinnamon and nutmeg. And then you're going to mix that together and you're going to set it aside. So our next step is we're going to mix together I'm going to call it the wet ingredients. And so this, you need to have 1 cup sugar, and then you need 3/4 cup butter softened. Yep, and then you are also going to add your lime zest, and that is 1 teaspoon lime zest.
That was about the zest of 1 lime.
So once you have your butter and your sugar and your lime zest all creamed together, you are going to gradually beat in the lime juice and then add the flour mixture 1/2 cup at a time.
So how much lime juice?
So yep, sorry about that. That is 3 tablespoons lime juice.
Okay.
And I wish you guys could smell this because it's smelling quite delicious. Quite limey and citrusy. You're going to gradually add your flour mixture in 1/2 cup at a time. So we're just going to estimate on that. But you could get your 1/2 cup measuring utensil and do that if you wanted to.
Yeah.
We've incorporated all the ingredients now, and so the next step is to roll it into a small ball. So, so then once you roll it in a small ball, then you're going to put it into the sugar mixture that you had made up earlier. Shake it around, move it around, get it all covered, and then you're going to place it on your cookie sheet, and you're going to place them about 1 inch apart. And then, once we're done with that, we'll be back. Once you have your cookies set out on your cookie sheet, you're going to take either a glass or something with a flat edge, and you're going to press your cookies down and make them flat.
You don't want them to be paper thin. Just.
There's our cookies. And so then you're going to put them in the oven. So remember that was a 350 degrees oven, and you're going to put it in the oven for 13 to 16 minutes. Okay? So we pulled our cookies out of the oven. They're slightly golden brown around the edge, and they've kind of flattened down, and they look really yummy.
And they cooked for just the 13 minutes.
Ours just cooked for the 13 minutes. So hope you guys make them and enjoy them.